Okay, welcome back. This is part 3 of lesson 7.6. So we are now going to look at rotations, and we've got a handy little table here, and you really need to sort of get to know and understand this table and remember what happens when we do a rotation. So if we're going counterclockwise, so if we are rotating an object in an XY coordinate plane 90 degrees, 90-degree rotation, this is what happens. For every original x and y value, what happens is the x and y values switch places and all the y values become negative. Okay, that's what's going to happen for a 90-degree rotation. For 180 degrees, very simple. All the x and y values just become negative x and y values. So if something, if you had an x value of 2 and a y value of 4, it becomes negative 2, negative 4. It's very, very simple. If you are rotating something 270 degrees, so 3/4 of the way around the clock, if we're going counterclockwise. So remember, counterclockwise means this direction, okay? If we do that, x and y values become, the x and y's switch places, the y's stay positive, but all the x values become negative. And then if it's a 360-degree rotation, the x and y's stay the same because we've rotated all the way around and we really don't see any difference. So let's take a look at how this is going to look, how this is going to pan out. So we're going to rotate this object ABC 270 degrees. So let's first detail that out. So A is at point -2, 3. So that means 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there's point A. Point B is at -2, 1, 2, 0. So that is point B. Point C is at -4, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So that is point C. So this is the object we have created. Now, if we want to rotate this 270 degrees, so we want to come up with a new A, a new B, and a new C. What will those look like? What are those coordinates going to need to be? Again, a rotation, x and y switch places and x becomes negative. So for A, we had -2, 3. So that means our new values are going to be 3 and then 2. It's going to be our new A value. And then B, again, x and y switch places, and x becomes negative. So we're going to get 0, 2. So -2, 0 is going to switch to 0, 2. And then for the final one, -4, 2, those are going to switch places, and x becomes -2 and 4. And so now we can build this new image. So our new A is going to be 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's A. B is going to be 0, 2. The little apostrophe by it. And then C is going to be 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can build our image. So this new image is this original image, and it has been rotated around 270 degrees. Specifically, we're rotating it around the XY coordinate plane. Okay? All right. So now I want you to try one on your own. It's your turn. I want you to rotate this image, okay, RST, 90 degrees. And then when you're done with that, come back. All right, now that you're back, let's kind of go over quickly how this would be done. So we're going to make our original image. R is at 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. Go up 1. So that's R. And then S is at 2, -4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's S. And then T is at 4, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is T. And then again, we can connect these. All right, so there we go. There's our image. And now again, we want to know what would the new image or images look like? What would their coordinates be? So we need to go over those coordinate systems. Okay, so if we look back again at what happens in a 90-degree rotation, x and y again are going to swap places and all the y's become negative. So that means for this r, we're going to get the 1 and the 3 are going to switch places, and the y is going to become negative, so we're going to have -1, 3. 2 and -4 are going to switch places, so we're going to have 4 and 2, and this 4 becomes negative and switches. We'll get 4 and 4, and those should be our values. And now we can go in and plot those. Use a different color here. So the new r is going to be -1, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So there's our new r value. S is going to be 4, 2. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then T is 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, we can connect those. And there is our shape that has been rotated 90 degrees from where it used to be. And you can kind of tell that that's where it was here, and now it's been rotated here. You can see the shape is perpendicular to the old shape, which makes it 90 degrees. The bottom here, you guys are going to get into groups of 2. We're going to do this in class later on Thursday. So when you guys come in on Thursday, maybe have some ideas ready for some things you can do where you can create an image that you're going to make some art with that you can translate, rotate, and reflect.